Hello students, today we are going to discuss 10th class 5th chapter. What was that? Indian river and water resources. Indian rivers and water resources, right? As you know, previous session already we discussed the type of the river system, right? What type or how many type of the river system we have and what are they? And we call not only the river system, we also call the drainage system of India, right? Drainage system of India. You know, we have the two types of the drainage system of India. One is the Himalayan and another one is the peninsular system, right? In previous also we discussed the peninsular river system have the different characteristics and Himalayan river system also has a different characteristics, right? The most of the Himalayan rivers originated in the Himalayas. The most of the peninsular rivers originated in the Deccan Plateau, and we can say the particular in the Western Ghats. Right? See, let's now the beginning. The first, we have to discuss about the Himalayan river system. Already we discussed the characteristics and this type, but we couldn't discuss the Himalayan river. How many Himalayan river system we have? We have in the Himalayan river system. We have the three major rivers. What are they? One is the Indus. Right, another one is a Brahmaputra and another one is a river Ganga. Right, another one is a river Ganga. See, while we are discussing the characteristics of the Himalayan rivers, already these all rivers, the most of the Himalayan rivers originated in one place, almost one place. And this created the V-shaped valley, and these are the perennial rivers. It flows throughout a year. Why? Because automatically it originated in Himalayas. Himalayas we can form the snow. When we can form the snow, is automatically melting in the summer also. So that's why these rivers with the flows continuously. Right? Let's discuss about the Indus. See, the Indus River originated in Kailash range. Near Manasarovar. Right? It near Manasarovar. The Indus River originated in Kailash range near Manasarovar in Tibet. Where the Tibet we can also now the Tibet is under control by the China. Tibet is one kind of the province, we can say the state is under control by the China. In the Tibet, most of the people live is the Buddhist. We know the famous personality who fought for the separation of the Tibet is the Dalai Lama. Dalai Lama is living in the India right now. See, the Indus River originated in the Kailash range near Manasarovar is a Tibet, right? In Tibet. When the Indus River originated in the first enter in the which state in India? First the river entered in the which state in India? Which enter in the Jammu and Kashmir. In which state is enter? It enter in Jammu and Kashmir. See, this is India's right. This is India, right? And here the Manas Sarovar is here in the Tibet. We have the Manas Sarovar is from this river originated to Manas Sarovar flows and automatically finally discharged in the Bay of Bengal, right? Where it originated? Sorry, discharge is Arabian Sea. The discharge is Arabian Sea. It originated near the Manas Rovar. It is lake. The Manas Rovar is a lake of Manas Rovar is located in Tibet. It originated in first enter. Where is enter? Where is entering? Here. Where is entering? Here. In which state we can found this state is the Jammu and Kashmir. Which state is entering? It's entering in the Jammu and Kashmir. See, when it entering the Jammu and Kashmir, we have the flow of the river. These have the tributaries. These every rivers have tributaries. We have the river tributaries here, the Sutlej, the Ravi, right? The Bias, this kind of, we have the tributaries of the Indus. Every Indus has a tributaries is the west side, and also this side tributaries we have is originated in the Pakistan. Shok and the Gilgit. The two major tributaries have the Indus, the Shok and the Gilgit. Shok and Gilgit. And the river, the Indus river have the 5 tributaries. 5 tributaries. We call the 5 tributaries are the, on the short form is the where is the, we can easily remember those. We can easily remember those. The JC brothers. JC brothers. We know the shopping mall, we have the RS brothers, Chandana brothers, all those things, right? We have. So we can say the JC brothers also we have. With the JC brothers we have in the tributaries of the Indus. And what are the J means? Jhelum, Chenab, Bias, Ravi, and Sutlej. Right? We have the tributaries, we have important tributaries that might be examiner asking, can you name the two tributaries of the Indus. The examiner might be asking, name the 5 tributaries of the Indus, then you can write the JC brothers. With J means Jhelum, Chenab, Bias, Ravi and Sutlej. Jhelum, Chenab, Bias, Ravi and Sutlej. These kind of the tributaries we have the Indus. These 5 tributaries we have in the Indus which is flown in India. And this is the 5 tributaries. These are JC brothers. And once again explain you why, because this is the most important question the examiner might be asked you. The name the tributaries of the Indus. Jhelum, Chenab, Bias, Ravi, Sutlej. See this river, this Indus river that flows in the, which state we have to the flowing the water, which state we have the drainage system of the Indus. In Indus river flows the main in the 3 states. First state is the Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir and Punjab and Himachal Pradesh. This state we have the flows of the Indus river, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab and Himachal Pradesh. Why? Because most of these states, Punjab and Himachal Pradesh is covered with the river the Sutlej, is the tributary of the Indus river. This is the river Sutlej, right? This is our Indus. This is the river Indus, right? Next we can discuss about the river Brahmaputra. Where? River Brahmaputra. See, the river Brahmaputra. What we call the characteristics of the Himalayan rivers? The Himalayan rivers originated almost in the one place, right? Almost in the one place already. See, the river Indus originated near Manas Sarovar in Tibet, and the Brahmaputra also originated in Manas Sarovar. Originated near the Manas Sarovar in the Chamayandung range. Which range? The Chamayandung range. The Brahmaputra river originated in the Chamayandung range near the Manas Sarovar in Tibet. Near Manas Sarovar in Tibet. And Indus river also originated Kailash range in the near to Manas Sarovar. Kailash range near to the Manas Sarovar. See, already characteristics already we discussed that these Himalayan rivers originated almost one place. Almost one place. See, this is a Indian, and here we can find the here is the river Indus originated. River Indus originated, and Indus river is the finally discharged in the Arabian Sea. And this side river Brahmaputra is originated. This side river Brahmaputra is originated. Where is near the Manas Sarovar, which is the lake is the Manas Sarovar is located in the Tibet. Located in the Tibet. Is the flow of the river is the west side west side of the Indus, and flow of the river east side is a Brahmaputra, right? This is almost originated in the Manas Sarovar, right? Is the river. We can call the different name in the Brahmaputra. We can call in the Tibet in the Sanpo. We call the different name of the Tibet in the Sanpo, right? We call the Dihang, Saidang, all these things we can call the name of the Brahmaputra. The name of the river Brahmaputra, right? Here we call the Tibet in the name of Sanpo. It's this river enters into the Brahmaputra river enters in Arunachal Pradesh. First, which state is the Brahmaputra river enters? It enters in Arunachal Pradesh. It's entering Arunachal Pradesh, right? We'll do the future map, right? Right, this is the Indian map, we can assume. Right, here the Lake Manasarovar, and here the enter in the Arunachal Pradesh Indus River. It's a Brahmaputra. It's Indus. This Indus River enters in the Arunachal Pradesh. They enter in the Arunachal Pradesh. The Brahmaputra river we have two main tributaries, Dihang, Lohi. Which two tributaries are Dihang and the Lohi. This Brahmaputra river created one island. They created one island is the Mujili Island. Which island? The created island is the Mujili. Mujili Island located in Assam. It is located in the Assam. We call the Swaro of Assam. This river we can call the Brahmaputra river. We call the Swaro of Assam. Why? Because in the Assam, due to this river flood, due to this flood of this river, the Brahmaputra, the Assam is more suffered from this kind of the floods in the river of the Brahmaputra. That's why we call the Swaro of Assam is we know about the Brahmaputra. The Swaro of Assam is known about the Brahmaputra. Next river we are discussing about the river Ganga. See, the river Ganga is originated in the India. River Ganga, the originated in India. Is in Uttarakhand. See this river Ganga is have the special with. We have originated in the is made of the two rivers. Is made of two rivers. This is the Alakanan and this is the Bhagirathi. This is the Alakanan and the Bhagirathi. This Bhagirathi is originated in the Gangotri glacier. Gangotri glacier is a Bhagirathi. And this is Alakanan. River Alakanan is originated in the Gangotri glacier. Is originated in Gangotri glacier, and Alakanan is originated in Chhatopant glacier. These two rivers, these are Bhagirathi and Alakanan. When this met two here, the mate is met two here, and this place is called, we call the Devprayag. We call it as Devprayag. But from here when we start, from to here we can call it the river Ganga. From here we call the river Ganga. See here two rivers. These are Bhagirathi and Alakanan originated. From here we start with river Ganga and finally discharge into the Bay of Bengal. From here we are the Indus River. From here we call the Brahmaputra river and finally met is the Brahmaputra and the Ganga, and then all in the Bangladesh, enters in the Bangladesh and finally discharge in the Bay of Bengal. See, but when it comes to the two rivers, see which river we can sort, which river glacier we can take the originate of the river Ganga. We took as is a Bhagirathi. The we took are the where the river Bhagirathi is originated in the Gangotri, with originated in the Gangotri glacier. Same we can consider as a river Ganga is originated in the Gangotri. River Ganga is originated in the Gangotri, and here we call the Devprayag. See, if anybody asks you the river is the Ganga river is the created of the flow of the two rivers that we call the twin rivers. One is the Bhagirathi, another is the Alakananda. Bhagirathi originated in Gangotri and Alakananda originated in the Satropant glacier. But we call is the Ganga is originated. We took as a Bhagirathi originated as a Ganga originated. So that's why we call the where Ganga is originated means is a Gangotri glacier. Is a Gangotri glacier. See, we can see what are the characteristics of the river Ganga. See, the river Ganga is the largest river in India. See, the largest longest river in India. Is the flow of this Ganga 2525 kilometers. How? The 2000 how much? The 2525 kilometers began the Ganges. Is the river Ganga is originated in Gangotri glacier. River Ganga is originated in Gangotri glacier. The river Ganga is from the twin rivers, which has Bhagirathi, Alakananda, right? Which has the Bhagirathi and Alakananda. The river Ganga has the biggest tributaries. Biggest tributaries is Yamuna. River Ganga biggest tributaries is Yamuna. But we can consider that river Ganga, we have the north side tributaries and the south side tributaries. Those who are the tributaries originated in Himalayas, the river Ganga has the tributary originated in Himalayas. River Ganga has the tributary originated in the Peninsula Plateau. Peninsula Plateau. See, the north side is the north side the tributaries, and is the south side of the tributaries of the river Ganga. The biggest tributary is the Yamuna. Biggest tributary is the Yamuna. But when it comes to the river Ganga originated in tributaries, we call the Yamuna, Chambal, Son, Ken, Betwa, right? Gaggar, Gomati, Ramganga, right? The Ramganga, Tista, the Tista. This all this kind of river Ganga, we have the many tributaries. River Ganga has the many Banas. This various we have anything etc. We can go to write in the another 10. Why? Because the river Ganga has the many tributaries. River Ganga has the many tributaries. River Ganga has the north side tributaries and the south side tributaries. River Ganga north side tributaries originated in Himalaya. And the south side tributaries originated in Peninsula Plateau. What are the Yamuna, Chambal, Son, Ken, Betwa, Gaggar, Gomati, Ramganga, Tista, Banas? It's very we have this kind of tributaries we have in the river Ganga. This river Ganga, when it completes in the mountain, when it completes in the mountain, it enters in the Indo-Gangetic plain. Indo-Gangetic plain. So these are the rivers. These are the river system of India in the Himalayas river system India. First one is the Brahmaputra. First one is the Brahmaputra. Indus, we already discussed. Indus is originated in Kailash Lake nearby Manas Sarovar. River Brahmaputra originated in Chamayandu near the Manas Sarovar in the Tibet, Bhotala Tibet, and the river Ganga originated in the Gangotri glacier. Gangotri glacier. These two rivers are discharged in the Bay of Bengal, and the Indus is discharged in the Arabian Sea. Right? I hope you understood this session.